This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on PC with a controller. To begin, you will need to install an Android emulator, such as BlueStacks or LD Player, on your computer. These powerful tools create a virtual Android environment, allowing you to run mobile games seamlessly. Once the emulator is set up, proceed to download and install Brawl Stars directly from its App Store. Finally, ensure your game controller is properly connected to your personal computer, ready for action. Now that your controller is connected, it is time to configure the controls within your emulator. Most emulators offer a robust key mapping tool. You will want to assign movement to the left joystick for fluid navigation. Map your primary attack and super abilities to easily accessible face buttons like A, B, X, or Y. Take a few moments to fine-tune the sensitivity settings to match your personal playstyle, ensuring precise aiming and quick reactions. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, optimizing your emulator's performance is key. Within the emulator settings, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 to 4 CPU cores if your computer allows. Enable high frame rates, aiming for 60 frames per second for incredibly smooth visuals. Remember to close any unnecessary background applications on your computer to free up valuable resources. A stable and fast internet connection is also crucial for uninterrupted online matches. With your setup complete, here are some tips to enhance your Brawl Stars gameplay on PC. Take time to practice with various brawlers and explore different maps to understand their unique dynamics. Many players find that utilizing quick cast for attacks and supers can significantly speed up reactions. Effective communication with your teammates, even through pings, is vital for strategic wins. Finally, do not hesitate to experiment with different controller layouts until you find what feels most comfortable and efficient for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.